サムライチャンネル。Hi everyone. So I'll introduce the touchscreen Japanese vending machine at this time. When you come to Tokyo in Japan, if you use a train in Tokyo, you can find this kind of vending machine. This vending machine is a little bit different from the normal machines. This is a touch panel style, and if you are thirsty and want to drink something, this will be useful for you. There are huge selection and can buy soft drinks, tea or coffee. I will teach you how to use this machine later. When you come to Tokyo, you should try it. I will teach you how to use this machine. So firstly, touch the product you want. And secondly, tap your Suica or Instant to cash to pay. And finally, take the product. Samurai Channel.